Welcome back to the channel, everyone. CryptoTakeOver here, coming back with another Bitcoin cryptocurrency video for you today. We're going to be taking a look at two articles. Bitcoin just went over $60,000 as of last night. So pretty exciting stuff going on here. We're going to see if there's some news articles that pertain to the reason why Bitcoin may have went past 60,000. It does look like on our higher time frames we have wicked past 60,000, so now we're waiting for a close and our next candles to see if we can actually close above $60,000 or not. So we'll have to give it a couple of hours from this point forward to see, and maybe by the time I release this video we'll have a nice little close above $60,000. So taking a look at the articles here, Bitcoin price shoots past $60,000. Ether hits all-time high in early Saturday trading. Yep, you got that right. And then our next article here, Bitcoin price shoots past 60,000. Ether hits all-time highs as of early Saturday trading. So one by CoinDesk, the other by Yahoo Finance. Probably the same articles, but we'll go ahead and read one and then jump on over into the charts after this. So with that being said, let's cue that intro. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for coming back. I appreciate it. Make sure that you're subscribed. Please help support the channel. Links in the description box below if you want to help support the channel. If not, just leave us a thumbs up and that would be freaking awesome. And also, if you want to join our private trading group page, there's a Patreon link in the description box. We use Patreon as a payment processor. Everything that we post for our private trading group is on Discord. But if you have Discord attached to the Patreon, you'll automatically be assigned the private member role for our Discord page, so you can see all those posts that we update each and every single day. So let's jump on over into the charts. Into this article here first. Bitcoin price neared its all-time high of 61,700 early Saturday, while Ether set an all-time high at $2,100. According to CoinDesk Bitcoin price page, the lead cryptocurrency traded above 60,000 for the first time in nearly a month after spending weeks facilitating between $52,000 and $50,000. Bitcoin pulled back marginally after peaking around 60,900, though it remains above the psychological marker of the press time. Bitcoin last hit an all-time high in mid-March, according to CoinGecko. Meanwhile, Ether, the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, came close to 2,200 just days after breaching 2,100 for the first time. While it's unclear if there's a causation, the price action comes just days before leading U.S. exchange Coinbase begins trading on NASDAQ. Yeah, and so the Coinbase IPO, it'll start trading on the NASDAQ April 14th. So I believe that is on that's on Wednesday. So it's on Wednesday. I'm sure we're going to start to see prices rally before then. One of the crypto industry's most anticipated events. A sign of this maturing market, the listing will likely give Wall Street traders their most accessible bet yet on growth in the space. Some institutional investors have wasted little time. Friday, Daniel Loeb, CEO of $17 billion hedge fund Third Point, revealed he was a hodler in response to CoinDesk's report. He's hardly alone. Institutional funds have flooded the markets and have been deemed at least partly responsible for the 2020 and 2021 rally. Bitcoin bulls were further bolstered on Friday by the idea that an exchange-traded fund ETF with exposure to a digital asset space might be approved in 2021 after the Securities and Exchange Commission confirmed it was reviewing ETF giant Wisdom Tree's application. The regulator previously began reviewing VanEck's ETF application last month, and another 6 companies have filed initial registration forms declaring their own efforts to launch a regulated Bitcoin investment vehicle. The broader digital asset space has seen tremendous froth over the past few months, with investors and industry participants trading heavily in decentralized finance tools, non-fungible tokens, and altcoins like Doge, which hit a peak of 8 cents in February, 8 times its value a month earlier. So yeah, folks, this is the start of April. I think that this is just a clear idea of the start of April beginning upon us right now. So let's go ahead and jump on over into the charts, take a look and see what Bitcoin is doing. Keep this relatively shorter video for today. All right, so first thing right off the bat, we were talking about yesterday. In yesterday's video, we were waiting for a buy signal on the 12-hour, and lo and behold, we got the buy signal on the 12-hour chart. Once we started to make our first pump on our lower time frames, I went ahead and signaled the group. I said, hey, here it is, get ready. And as you can see here, we've had this 12-hour green trend line above us too as well. Bitcoin right now hovering right at about the price of $60,500. So we're looking to probably breach $61,000 here in the near term future too as well. We'll have to wait and see. But you can see here on our 12-hour chart that we have been kind of being held down as resistance here. We got our buy signal with market God on our 12-hour chart too as well. And now we're seeing a little bit of rejection here on our third little touch here of this trend line above head on us. So we'll see what happens there from here on out. But folks, looking at a market Cipher B on the 12-hour chart too, we're also seeing that we're pushing above our zero pivot point here. We do have a nice little anchor wave down here, trigger wave over here. And I'm expecting probably a nice little substantial rally here to get us past $60,000. So we'll have to wait and see exactly how this is going to play out. Looking at the daily chart, let's kind of zoom out here. Daily chart also giving us a green dot on market Cipher as well. This green dot looks really actually pretty bullish, honestly. It looks like it's probably going to push us back up above the 60,000% area here for our momentum wave, and the Loch Ness monster is ready to start creeping out of this green money flow here too as well. So get ready, folks. I think that this is going to be a nice substantial rally for us here. We did pierce through our $60,000 mark, and so now we're waiting to see if we can get a close above 60,000. So if we start to zoom in here, taking a look at the 6-hour chart, taking a look at the 6-hour, let's see what's happening here. We've already gotten, it looks like we are ready to get a close above the green resistance trend line and our $60,000 mark too on our 6-hour. So this is still looking really, really good here. We want to see our next candle body close above the $60,000 mark here. We can see our lime green candles are already starting to appear too as well. We have a bullish count on the TI sequential from Tone Bays as well too. So folks, don't forget there's links in the description box below if you want to pick up Market Cipher, the Market Cipher indicator package. It comes with 3 different indicators, and you can join CryptoFace's Discord group too as well. Plus also you can make sure that you help support the channel by using that link in the description box. There's also a 5% discount code there too for you as well. So let's see, if we move on over back into our 12-hour, were we starting to get our lime green candles just yet? Let's see what our decent trader indicator is telling us. Yes, lime green candles are appearing here on our 12-hour chart too as well. So 6 hours still looking relatively good. Let's move back into our 4 hours, see what's happening here. Momentum waves are still moving to the upside here on our 4-hour chart too as well. So it does look like Market Cipher B is also a nice momentum wave to push us back up above the 60% level, and we'll probably want to stay above the 60% level for a little bit longer. Money flow still looking a little thin here. We want to start to see this recover. Let's kind of zoom out here looking at the 2-hour chart, or kind of zoom in just a little bit more just to get a reference here. But you can see how our money flow was starting to recover on Market Cipher as well. Market Cipher started to give us this recovery flow, money flow, and now we're pushing ourselves back up into that greenish area, getting above our 60% level too as well on our 2-hour chart. And also candlestick patterns are showing us lime green colors here with our buy signal way back here with Market God. So things are looking relatively good, folks, and I do think that we are just starting out for April. You know that Coinbase is being launched on the NASDAQ April 14th, so really looking forward to that. I think it'll be a relatively nice month of April for us. So folks, don't forget the Patreon page is available if you want to join us on there. There's a tier just for supporting the channel as well to keep our videos ad free from YouTube. And also don't forget that if you do use the Patreon link to join our private Discord, you want to make sure that you have your Discord set up with the Patreon page too as well, so that way you can get access to the private categories on Discord inside of our private trading group. And with that being said, folks, check the links in the description box below. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Stay up to date with us each and every single day as the crypto market continues to rally into 2021. I highly appreciate everyone being very supportive of this channel, clicking the affiliate links in the description box. We're one of the top resellers for Market Cipher and CryptoFace too as well. So thanks for being of major support for us, helping the community grow, helping the CryptoFace Market Cipher community grow too on a daily basis. I really appreciate it, everyone. And with that being said, I'll see you all in the next one. CTO signing out. Peace.